Hello guys, you wake up in the morning, you walk to the bathroom, look in the mirror, and before you've even had your first sip of water, your skin has already decided what kind of day it's going to be. Maybe it's oily. Maybe there's a new breakout that wasn't there last night. Maybe it just looks tired, congested, like it's carrying something heavy. And the frustrating part? You're not doing nothing. You're trying. You're washing your face. You're using products, but somehow your skin keeps doing exactly what it wants. Here's what I want you to know before we go any further. That's not a you problem. That's a routine problem. And by the end of this video, your mornings are going to feel completely different. Let's just be honest for a second. Having acne-prone skin is exhausting in a way that people who don't have it genuinely don't understand. It's not just the breakouts, it's the oiliness by noon. It's the texture that catches light wrong in photos. It's the blackheads that come back no matter what you do. It's spending money on products that promise everything and deliver almost nothing. And the worst part? Doing too much can actually make it worse. Stripping your skin, over-exfoliating, layering 12 products because you read somewhere that each one was essential. Your skin gets overwhelmed, it fights back, and that cycle just keeps going. What your skin actually needs in the morning isn't more. It needs the right things in the right order with the right intention. So let's build that, step by step, calmly, properly. Before we touch a single product, here's the one thing you need to understand about acne-prone skin in the morning. Your skin has been repairing itself overnight. It's produced some natural oils. It's shed some dead cells. And it's in a slightly more balanced state than it will be at any other point in your day. Your only job in the morning routine is to protect that balance, not destroy it. That means we're not trying to strip oil. We're not scrubbing. We're not treating aggressively. Morning is about gentle cleansing, lightweight hydration, targeted treatment, and most importantly, sun protection. That's it, 4 pillars. Everything else is noise. And when you do these 4 things correctly, something genuinely beautiful starts to happen. Your skin stops fighting. It starts cooperating. Before you begin, let's set the environment. Wash your hands. This sounds obvious, but it matters more than almost any product you'll use. Bacteria from your hands is one of the most overlooked causes of morning breakouts. Use lukewarm water. Not hot water disrupts your skin barrier and signals your sebaceous glands to produce more oil. Not cold. Cold water doesn't effectively soften the skin for cleansing. Lukewarm. Gentle, like you're waking your skin up, not shocking it. Have a clean, soft towel nearby. Or better, a fresh paper towel for patting dry. Reused towels carry bacteria, and bacteria and acne-prone skin are not friends. Everything intentional, everything gential. That's the energy we bring to this routine. Step 1. The cleanse ask. Take your gentle, low pH cleanser, something formulated for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Gel cleansers work beautifully here. Foam cleansers can too, as long as they don't leave that squeaky tight feeling after. That tight feeling, that's not clean. That's stripped. There's a difference. Massage the cleanser onto damp skin using small, slow, circular motions. Work from the center of your face outward. Spend about 45 seconds on this. Not rushing, just letting it work. Step 2. The toner asterisk. This step surprises a lot of people, but a good toner is doing quiet, important work. For acne-prone skin, look for a toner with niacinamide, witch hazel, or a gentle BHA. These ingredients calm inflammation, tighten pores subtly, and prep your skin to absorb what comes next. Apply it with clean fingertips, just pressing it gently into the skin, or use a single cotton pad swept lightly across the face. No harsh swiping, no back and forth, just a gentle, even press, like you're giving your skin a moment to breathe. Step 3. The treatment asterisk. This is where the real work happens, but gently. If you are using a targeted treatment, a niacinamide serum, an azelaic acid, or a lightweight salicylic acid serum, now is the time. Apply a small amount to areas of congestion, the T-zone, the chin, wherever your skin tends to rebel. Don't layer multiple active treatments at once. Pick one. Let it absorb for 30 to 60 seconds. Your skin will thank you for the patience. Step 4. The moisturizer. Yes. Even oily, acne-prone skin needs moisturizer, especially in the morning. When your skin is dehydrated, it overproduces oil to compensate. A lightweight, oil-free moisturizer tells your skin, "You're okay, you have what you need, you can calm down." Look for words like non-comedogenic, gel cream, or water-based on the label. Apply it in gentle, upward strokes, smooth, even, unhurried. Feel your skin settle under your hands. Step 5. SPF. The non-negotiable. If you're not wearing sunscreen every morning, especially with acne-prone skin, your hyperpigmentation will never fade. Your dark spots will deepen. Your skin will age faster in the exact places where it's already sensitive. A lightweight SPF 30 to 50, specifically formulated for the face. Mineral or chemical, whichever your skin tolerates. Apply it as your final step, generously, evenly. This is the one product that protects everything you've just done. Let me save you from the mistakes that silently sabotage everything. Mistake 1. Asterisk the exfoliant. Washing your face more than twice a day strips your barrier and makes acne worse. Morning and night. That's it. Asterisk mistake 2. Using multiple actives at once. Vitamin C, retinol, salicylic acid, and AHAs all at the same time is a recipe for irritation, not improvement. Simplify. Asterisk mistake 3. Skipping moisturizer because your skin feels oily. This is the cycle that keeps oily skin. Oily, hydrate it, trust the process. Mistake 4. Touching your face throughout the day. All it takes is one unconscious touch to transfer oil and bacteria to freshly cleansed skin. And the biggest one, asterisk, expecting overnight results. Skin cells take roughly 28 days to turn over. Give your routine at least 4 weeks before you judge it. After your routine, your skin should feel like this: calm, slightly dewy, not tight, not greasy, just comfortable. If you're experiencing redness, stinging, or irritation from any product, stop using it. An effective product doesn't have to hurt. Irritation is inflammation, and inflammation is one of the core drivers of acne. On days when your skin feels extra sensitive, maybe after a breakout, maybe during a hormonal week, it's okay to simplify even further. Just cleanser, moisturizer, SPF. Nothing more. Your skin barrier is everything. Protect it. Rebuild it when it's been compromised. Give it permission to rest. Thank you for watching. For the next video,